Today on Lone Star Grills, we're making an all-time favorite dip recipe. This is Jalapeno Popper Dip, and we're doing it all from start to finish on our beautiful and versatile El Patron. So if you're ready to see why this dip is a real crowd pleaser, go ahead and hit that like button and let's go. Welcome back, everyone. You can support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's start by getting El Patron all set up for today's cook. We're all set up for indirect cooking with our deflector plates in place. Just light a medium-sized fire. We're using a mixture of oak and hickory today. And get your vents dialed in for a target temperature of 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 8 slices of bacon on a tray with warming rack and 8 jalapenos, which you're going to want to coat with some olive oil. Please note, you can use less jalapenos if you want this dip to be less spicy. Now just get that onto El Patron and let it go for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes until your bacon is done to your liking and those peppers are roasted perfectly. And if you like your bacon extra crispy, you can place it directly on the grates for just a few minutes at the end. You can then remove it and allow it to cool for about 30 minutes. Then we'll get all that chopped up so we can assemble the dip. Start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, add 4 ounces of shredded mozzarella, 4 ounces of cheddar, 10 ounces of tomatoes with chilies, 1/2 cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of minced garlic, your chopped jalapenos and bacon, and reserve just a little bit of that bacon to put on top at the end. And for even more flavor, we're going to hit this up with a few shakes of our LSG Texas Bold. Just mix this all up until well combined and then transfer to a well-oiled 10-inch cast iron skillet or any baking dish of your choice. Top this with the remaining bacon and then get it on El Patron for about 45 minutes to 1 hour at the same temperature of 250 to 275 Fahrenheit. Then you can remove it, admire your work, and serve it up to all your hungry guests. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've got questions on El Patron or any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. And we'll see you on the next one.